Paano ko ba ililipat itong mga files ko? Yung photos at documents, even yung mga applications ko sa Windows 11. Nakakatamad kasi maglipat. Ang dami ko pang gagawin. Yan din ba ang question mo? Well, gets kita. Nakakatamad naman talaga. Pero alam mo ba na merong way to move and transfer everything from your old Windows 10 to your new Windows 11 na click-click lang? Yup! Sa video na to, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-#MoveOn and make the smoothest transition to Windows 11 without losing your applications, settings, and of course, your important files. Hindi mo kailangan ng external hard drive or magmano-mano mag-transfer because we're using Windows Backup at OneDrive. So here's the deal. Microsoft is officially saying goodbye to Windows 10. Take note, so October 14, 2025 na yan. And by that time, hindi ka na makaka-receive ng mga updates, especially security patches, sa iyong Windows 10 device. Plus, kung napapansin mo na madalas luminit or bumabagal na rin ang iyong Windows 10 device, baka it's time na rin to upgrade to Windows 11. So here's what you need. Your current Windows 10 PC, internet connection, and your Microsoft account. Alam mo ba na kapag meron kang Microsoft account, ay automatic meron kang free 5 GB ng OneDrive? Kapag meron ka namang Microsoft 365 subscription, makakakuha ka ng 1 TB of OneDrive. Sulit yun, di ba? So gawin na natin to. On your Windows 10 PC, just go to the search bar and type Windows Backup. Click and wait to open the app. You will see a few options like back up your folder. I-select mo lang yon kung anong gusto mong i-keep. Pwedeng documents, yung desktop mo, pictures, applications, kahit settings at Wi-Fi password, pwede. Just click the backup and let the Windows do the thing for you. Take note, pwede itong tumagal ng ilang minuto, depende sa laki ng files mo. Quick tip, just in case ibebenta or ibibigay mo sa iba yung lumang Windows 10 device mo, make sure to wipe your personal information or reset the device. Ayaw naman nating makita nila yung iyong browser history or even yung mga pictures mo, di ba? Ngayong tapos na tayo mag-backup, paano naman natin ililipat sa bago nating device? Simple lang, just log in using the same Microsoft account na ginamit natin kanina. This is very important kasi kung iba yung Microsoft account na ginamit mo, for sure, hindi lalabas yung backup mo. Once you log in using your Microsoft account, Windows will ask you if you want to restore your backup. Just simply click the restore button and you're done. No, I'm done. Technically, you're done. Imagine, para ka lang lumipat sa bago mong bahay na ready na lahat. Okay, real talk tayo. Some applications, especially yung mga third-party applications na hindi galing sa Microsoft Store, is kailangan mong mano-manong i-install. But don't worry, Windows will help you. Just in case hindi niya ito ma-recognize, it will automatically launch a link kung saan ka pwede mag-download. And that's it! You're officially been upgraded to Windows 11. Kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, paki-like naman and pa-subscribe na rin. Huwag mo rin kakalimutan i-hit yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga tech tips kagaya nito. See you next time and thanks for watching.